4 old school jump exercise that can really burn you. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. 1. Lunges jump. Standing with 1 foot forward and 1 foot back is the ready position. Hold your arms in a ready position with the elbows bent at 90 degrees. One arm in front of your body and the other arm back, using alternating arms to legs. For example, if your left leg is leading, put your right in front. Nothing wrong, both hand front or both hand on your hip. Set yourself up for a jump by bending your knees and taking a deep plunge. Keep your core tight by leaning forward. Your core muscles will remain engaged throughout this exercise. Quickly sink your weight down and then explosively drive both feet into the floor. And launch your body upward, fully extending your knees and hips. Once you have jumped into the air, quickly bring your feet together and change positions as you land. You should also switch arms as you do this. Keep your feet in a balanced position when you land. Make sure your forward knee is over your forward foot and not beyond it. Attempt to land softly on the forward midfoot and let your heel come in contact with the ground. Avoid remaining on the toes of the forward foot. To absorb the landing, your hips and knees should bend deeply as you keep your hips back. Don't lock your knees. You should now drop into a deep lunge position as you prepare to start the next jump lunge. Keep repeating the jump lunge for the entire exercise period. Recommended you to do 20 reps by 5 sets of this exercise, and take 1 minute rest before go to another set. 2. Squat jumps. Stand with your feet just outside shoulder width apart, toes turned slightly out. Squat down with your weight in your heels, chest upright, knees tracking over toes, and a neutral spine. When you hit the bottom of your squat, squeeze your butt tight and drive hard through your legs and heels as you launch straight up, pelvis forward, pushing off your toes at the last moment of contact with the floor. Once you land softly, go straight into your next squat using the momentum you've gained from landing. That's 1 rep. For speed and power training, keep the reps and sets low, 3 to 4 sets of 5 or fewer reps, aiming for maximum height on every jump. To improve general conditioning as part of a larger workout, add body weight, cardio, or strength-based movements, and time, 15, 30, or even 45 seconds of squat jumps. We are recommended you to do 10 reps by 5 sets of this exercise, and take 1 minute rest before go to another set. 3. Skate or jump. As you stand, your legs should be hip-width apart, and your hips and knees slightly bent. Shift your weight onto left leg, and pick your right foot up from the ground. You should bend your left, standing, knee to lower your hips a little bit, then push explosively off your standing left foot to jump to the right side, landing on your right leg. Reach your left leg towards your right ankle without touching the ground. Do the same thing on the other side. You should jump as far as possible on each jump so that when you land, you immediately start the process again. Increase your range of motion by touching the floor with your hand every rep. The deeper you go, the more you'll activate your hip muscles. We are recommended you to do 20 reps by 5 sets of this exercise, and take 1 minute rest before go to another set. 4. Tuck jump. You should stand with your feet slightly less than shoulder width apart. Then drop down into a quarter squat and explode up into the air. Maintain a straight back throughout, and tuck your knees towards your chest as much as possible, before landing as softly as possible. After landing, you can either pause before jumping again, or jump directly into another tuck jump once you've mastered the movement. The latter is tough, and it's important to ensure you're not leaning in towards your knees rather than bringing them up to your chest. Swinging your arms can help you gain momentum. As you get more comfortable with the exercise, try jumping higher, and getting your knees closer to your chest. We are recommended you to do 10 reps by 5 sets of this exercise, and take 1 minute rest before go to another set. Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below, share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel. Thanks.